Hey, it's Will Erickson from MomentumGroup.tech. I want to talk about how Bubble is creating economic opportunity and how you can benefit. So, Bubble creates economic opportunity in a number of ways for a number of different groups. In my mind, here are a number of these groups: small to medium business or enterprise, SMB, SMEs, startups, so companies creating a new idea or product. They can be technology companies, and they can also be traditional companies that are technology enabled. So they embrace their digital processes and new ways of working. Bubble can also create economic opportunities for workers everywhere, particularly by allowing you to work remote with people anywhere in the world. So how does it do it? What is the major difference of Bubble compared to other opportunities, other options out there right now? Well, I explain Bubble as a way of building web applications, but reducing the time it takes to about 20 to 40% in the development phase. So I think that this is a significant business saving and allows more people also to learn the tool and to start to benefit from building out custom software for whatever use case they can think of on Bubble as a platform. It also removes physical barriers. So no longer do you need to work with someone in your local area or town or city. Now you can work with anyone in the world as long as you've got the internet and they do as well. It increases the speed of iteration for startups and scale-ups. So startups and scale-ups who embrace the no-code, low-code movement and tools like Bubble specifically can actually increase the speed that they test out new ideas and therefore find the ones that work and then help them to grow and scale. And finally, it really demonetizes custom software development. So the first one sort of touches on this, but if you were going to start building a product in startup land in say in the USA, you'd probably go and raise $1 million or $2 million and sell the dream, sell the vision, and hire a team of 4 or 5 people, designers, product managers, QAs, engineers, and then go and build out your product. But with Bubble, you can achieve the same thing probably again on 20 to 40% of the time and budget that it would take to do it the traditional way. That's paying people. And if you were the labor, then it might be even less. So we are in a lot of ways demonetizing, removing barriers of entry, making this accessible to a much broader segment of the market. And Bubble is a major facilitator of that. So it is creating opportunities for people to be more efficient, to be more effective, to embrace digital technology, whether that's as a business, an organization, a startup, or as an individual looking for a change in career. Bubble creates an opportunity. So how can you benefit? Well, you could introduce Bubble into your current business or organization to help drive some digital transformation and perhaps take experiences online or build out internal enterprise resource planning solutions so that you can run your business more efficiently. You could use Bubble to launch your technology product, and that could be a pure software business, or it could actually be a technology-enabled traditional business. And I think there's so much scope in that space to leverage Bubble to, just have a traditional business that operates at a higher margin than its competitors and has higher efficiencies because you organize better and you have better control over your information. And finally, there's another category of people who would learn Bubble to have a skill that they can then offer to the world. And so learning Bubble means that you can have a skill that you can sell to anyone in the world, and you can have a look at the different currency implications of that. So it might be that you can work in other countries where there's a higher market demand for Bubble than locally or for technology. You could potentially earn much better hourly rates or weekly annual salary than what you could in your local economy. And so Bubble not only creates a huge opportunity for businesses and startups, but it also creates an opportunity for the people that will be delivering the skill and helping people to leverage Bubble within their businesses and their startups. So it's a really exciting time. We've grown a business from me being a solo developer through to an agency and an academy business that is in Australian terms, a seven-figure revenue business. So we are turning over more than $1 million a year now. And that's been in 2 years' time. We've gone from me to having about 25 people that we work with. So that's a very high growth business. And if you look at the traditional metrics of success of a small to medium business, then we are quite successful. Now it's a lot of hard work. I'm not going to, be upfront about that. But what it means is that there is a lot of opportunity in this space. And if you can figure out how to do these things, any of these things, then you can also benefit from the economic opportunities that Bubble creates. So we do explore these things in our academy program, momentumgroup.tech/academy. If you fall into any of these categories and you would like to learn more about how to leverage Bubble for economic opportunities that it creates, and you want to learn how to do that, whether it's managing it, whether it's being the developer, whether it's learning to offshore your skill set to another country, then we'd love to help you on your journey and help you to achieve your goals. So thanks for listening, and I hope to meet you soon.